Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have another new box from the Girlfriend box from AARP, Relax and Radiate crate. And we are going to get to that in just a minute after I welcome you all to my channel. I am so happy to have you here today and I am glad to present this box. It came to me, this is the summer Relax and Radiate crate, and they always have it decorated up pretty nicely actually. This is a quarterly box, and I just recently showed you the spring box with Lori from Lori's Life. So be sure and go over and check out the spring box so you'll know an overall feel for what the Relax and Radiate crate provides in the Girlfriend box. So this runs $50 a quarter, and I think it's a great value, and I think if you go back and look at the spring you'll agree. And I will have that link popped up in the screen so you can go take a look at that video if you like, and you can meet Lori as well. And if you don't know Lori, please go over and check her out. She is a lovely lady, has a great channel, and she just recently got one of my toy poodles, and she is so cute. Her name is Zoe, and you'll love her too. And you'd get to see her in the spring video. But anyways, this runs $50 a quarter, and this is the summer box, and we are going to pop in here and see what we have. This is a sneak preview, and it says we're in. Connect with our uplifting focus for women. Okay, we've got the Relax and Radiate crate. That there just took me actually to the Facebook page. So if you're interested in joining the Relax and Radiate Club, they also have a Facebook group where you have a community that you can grow with. And I think we're going to find out more about this whenever we get into this box. But I am going to look in here and see if I can find the product card. Oh yes, we do have a product card. It matches our box, so they're carrying the theme. I really like it that they've got the box decorated and they're carrying the theme, and those are the items that we're going to have in this box. They also send along a Girlfriend magazine, and in this magazine they just talk about various subjects about hobbies, and they welcome you to the Girlfriend box. They talk about their friendships and the relationships they develop online through the community. They have recipes for us to try out. And they have some cocktails to try out too. All right, it says for a crowd, this is a strawberry vodka lemonade. Okay, I've got to put that up there for you guys. Some of you might want to check that out. That sounds delicious and refreshing. I would like that, I'm pretty sure. And then they also have a punch recipe here if you're interested in a large batch. They got this punch, and I don't know how to pronounce this. Negronis, is that Negronis? Not real sure. And then they have peach plum sangria, and if you got some wine, that's probably something easily to mix together. It says dry Riesling chilled that you use. So hey guys, that's really cute. And then of course they've got more books, and they always feature a book, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Right now I'm going to go in the order that they have things if I can find it. And the first thing they're showing on here is a silky square scarf, and I think that's right here. So let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, it's very silky. Ooh, this is pretty, and it is. It's like a large square scarf. Isn't that pretty? Oh yeah, that's very summery like. I like that. It might go with my blue that I have on today. Look at that. And it's made for the Girlfriend, and this is made of smooth and soft silk, and it does feel like that. It's a lightweight scarf in both fashion and breathable, perfect for summer heat, and I'd have to say that's true. And I love the colors in it. Let's see what else we have in here. The next item that I'm seeing is a necklace, and it's in this bag right here, and it is by Kenneth J. Lane, and it's a Cuba zirconia necklace. So let's take a look at this. That sounds very nice. Now remember, I paid $50 for this box. And then there's a Scam Me coupon code if you want to get some matching earrings. There's the offer for some earrings, and you can save 60% using FF60. And then inside here we have this beautiful necklace. So let's take a look. What do we have? I didn't know the scarf was going to match my shirt today. That's just ironic that it just happens to match it pretty well. But anyways, this is the Cuba zirconia necklace. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah, and it's in silver. And I know many of you will be very happy about that. And it is very nice. Let's see what they have to say about it. It says the classic round pendant is a sparkly 2-carat cubic zirconia stone, will add timeless elegance to every outfit. And I would have to say that's probably true. Very nice. I love that. And it came in this nice little bag so you can keep it all nice and tidy in there. Now, our next item is a Ceramic Skincare Exfoliating Mitt. Oh, okay, so that's what this is right here. And it's got a card attached to it. It's a premium exfoliating facial mitt. And it says, enjoy the smoothest skin ever with this exfoliating mitt that will leave your skin feeling refreshed. You'll receive either a premium body or a face mitt. And it looks like I received a facial mitt. And it's a facial mitt that's made from a unique plant fiber that gently and instantly removes dead surface skin, unclogging pores, prevents ingrown hairs, increases circulations, improves product absorption, and encourages cell turnover for a heavenly complexion. So let's open this up and take a look at it. They've got a card attached on here which tells you more about this company if you want to scan that or screenshot it for more information. Okay, yeah, so this is a hand mitt. You can put your hands in there, and this is very soft. It's got two sides, so it's got the exfoliating side and the smoother side, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's not very rough at all, so that's very nice. I'm gonna like that as well. Now, our next item that we have is Moroccan style mosaic coasters, and that is right here. And coasters must be a big thing this season. I've seen several, but let's see what these look like. Oh, these are nice. They kind of match the colors that I have on. Look at that. You're going to have a set of 4 that looks like this. It's a Moroccan. They're made for the girlfriends specifically, so they're designed for them, and they're a little bit different. Each one has a little bit different pattern to it, so very nice. Let's see what this one has. So yeah, they're all just a little bit different, but they all coordinate in the same colors. And this is our last one. Aren't those pretty? I think that's very nice. And again, you have your cork on the back, so they're not going to go sliding around, and they're very pretty and very nice and very summer looking. So that is a great deal right there. Let's see what our next item is. Our next item is a mini wooden serving tray. Wow, this box is just packed. It just keeps on going. And you'll find that out when you go over to the spring. It just kept on going. But we have a mini serving tray, Relax Radiate crate, and this is Moroccan style coaster set with serving tray. Oh, cool. So you can set your coasters down in there. That's really cool. Okay, now I have not seen anything like this. It says the practical and perfectly sized personalized serving tray doubles as a stylish holder for your Moroccan style coaster set. That is so cool. So you can set all 4 of them down in there and have them sitting on your table. That is a cute and wonderful display. And because it's a serving tray, you can use it multiple ways. But that is so clever of them. Wow. I'm liking this box. What do you think? Okay, the next item I have is a rainbow glass sun catcher. And that must be in this box right here. Oh my goodness, guys. This is beautiful. This is a crystal. Oh my goodness, it has a string here. But I don't know if it will hold it. You're supposed to put this through here. Okay, I'm going to read about it. This is a huge crystal. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It says transform sunlight into dazzling rainbow with this finely crafted sun catcher. Hang in a window to throw brilliant colors all around the room. Oh, that is so cool. Can you see how it's kind of doing that just from my lights above? That is beautiful. And it does have a string that you'd have to thread through there and tie. I got it through there, and then I would have to, of course, tie that. But isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. I've never received anything like this in a box before. This is just excellent. But anyway, the next item we have is Everywhere Belt Bag, and that is right here. Everything's color coordinated, and this is a bag that you can belt around. So it's a carry-all bag, and it says Everywhere Belt Bag with an adjustable strap. This bag is both versatile and functional, roomy enough for all essentials. And it's very nice. Look at this. It's got a big zipper pouch on this side and plenty of room, and you got mesh in there and little pockets to hold things. And this has got a divided pocket for each side. That is very nice. And then it even has a zipper pouch on the outside, like if you want to keep your phone or maybe your ID and your money. You want to keep it separate. But isn't that nice? Wow, that's another nice thing. I'm telling you, it just keeps going. The next item that we have is a personal care travel kit, and that is right here, and it matches our artwork and even matches the scarf a little bit with the colors. And this here is a personal kit. It is also made for the girlfriend. Personal care travel kit, packed with a full array of necessities for your next trip. This is a must-have accessory for women on the go. So let's see what we have in here. We have little cotton pads and a little ponytail holder to hold your hair up while you clean your face. We've got a little pill box. We've got compressed towels. Wow, that's pretty cool, huh? We have some wet wipes. We have Band-Aids. Guys, this is excellent, and these are things that you need on the go. Wow, you got several wipes. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe it's a mirror. Oh, no, this is a sewing kit. Isn't that functional and really neat? Wow. Now, I like that. We all need a sewing kit with us, and that's very clever. You could easily carry that in your purse, too. Wow, very nice. And there's still more in here. We have, like I said, the Band-Aids. We've got an emery board. We have some bobby pins, very nice, and more towel and more Band-Aids, and we even have dental floss pick. Wow. Well, I'll say that's nice. That's a very nice little bag. We've got 2 or 3 of these little compressed towels. That is so neat. And I like this. This was a very cute thing. And we do all travel, even if you're just going to an aunt and uncle's house or your cousin's house or your friend's house. We all travel. This is very cute, and it's a nice little design bag. And I would say this is made out of some kind of canvas like, and it's kind of water resistant, I would say. Okay guys, well, we're down to the last couple of things. The next item that we have is a Mosaic Prints acrylic paint kit, and that is right here. And we had an art project in the last box too that was really unique. And looky here, we're going to be able to color with the same colors and design and paint this little picture board here. It says unleash your inner art with this set of paint your own mosaic prints. It includes everything you need, including quick drying acrylic paint and brushes. Wow, that is so cool, and that's going to be a beautiful, and you can design it yourself with where you want the colors to be. So that is really cool. And then our last item is our book. We could have got a choice of several books, but the one that we got for our summer pick was by Camilla Steen, author of The Lost Village, The Resting Place. So that sounds very interesting. Praise for the Lost Village. Come for the mounting horror and scares, but stay for a devastating examination of nature of family secrets. Ooh, that sounds interesting. The Lost Village draws you in with its spooky premise, the disappearance of an entire town, but great atmospheres and unexpected twists keep you turning the pages. For fans of haunted reality TV shows, Scandinavian thrillers, and all things relentlessly creepy. Ooh, this book sounds great. I may have to take a gander at this and read it and try to find time to do it for sure. But man, isn't that exciting? I love this book. It sounds very nice. It says the suspense in this book is off the charts. a scary, highly entertaining debut that pays homage to Shirley Jackson, and I'm not sure who Shirley Jackson is. Maybe we'll find out when we're reading it. An enthralling and claustrophobic read. Camilla Stan has written a lurid thriller that will send shivers down your spine. Ooh, okay, well that sounds great. Okay, guys, it is hot in Texas. I've got to get that scarf off my neck. It's putting off too much heat. But anyways, as a recap, we got this beautiful scarf. And remember, $50 is all I paid for this box. We got our on-to-go care kit in its cute little package. We got this book, which retails for $27.99 in the U.S., so that was half of my box cost. We got this beautiful crystal. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I don't know how I'm going to pick a favorite. I don't think I could pick one last time either. We got this beautiful cubic zirconia 2-carat necklace. We got this pouch that we can wear around as like a little fanny pack. We got our facial mitt. We got our tray, as well as our Moroccan coasters. Very nice, that will fit down inside there. We got our paint set over here, and I think I got everything. I hope I didn't miss anything on the recap. There was just so much to recap. What's your favorite item? Guys, for uniqueness and something I have never seen in a bag or in a box, I'm gonna have to say this. There's so much. The other thing is this book sounds amazing, and I will say I like this scarf. Yeah. Alright guys, you let me know your favorites. This was the Girlfriend Relax and Radiate crate from AARP. If you're interested, I will have their link down in my description. I don't know of any discounts. You would just have to go to their site to find out. I know when I joined, I got the spring box for half price. So I paid $25 for that one and $50 for this one. I don't know the promotions or if they have them going on, but I would have to say, in my opinion, this box is worth $50 per quarter. My next one will come in the fall, and I can't wait to see what they bring us. Don't forget to check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have my PartyTime Temu, 5 videos, 5 giveaways. I have the Dollar Tree train that is active now. I've got a in-style jewelry giveaway that ends on August 17th. You'll be sure to want to join into that. So check those things out. Check out for the girlfriend box information down below. And that's all I have today for the girlfriend box, the Radiate and Relax crate. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.